What's going on, guys? This is Cristian from Acoustic, and I'm super happy to be here today. I have a very special guest, David from Fermacell, and today we're going to be talking about alternatives to concrete toppings. So David, thank you so much for taking some time, man.
What we have Fermacell is a dry topping acoustical solution. What it comes to do, it comes in replace usually concrete or wet toppings that are usually used for soundproofing the floor assembly. And we decided to have the solution imported into Canada in the beginning of the year 2000. We have our basic two-panel system, which is 20 millimeters thick. The gypsum fiber boards are manufactured using three main ingredients. We have recycled gypsum, we have cellulose fibers, and water. So these panels are manufactured, dried, and cut to the dimensions that are needed. And the way that these panels are integrated is very easy. We install them this way on the floor. We have a glue, and we also have some mechanical fasteners to hold the system together. Even though it's a floating system, we do require these accessories in order to have a suitable system on the floor. I think one of the major benefits of not using wet trades is what we call the coordination of the job site. When the cement truck is going to come by, you have to have your pumps and all the equipment that's required, and coordinate with the installers as well to empty out the full building. When we're talking about acoustical properties, we're always talking about the full assembly of the floor ceiling. So we've had ratings that are in the high 50s, sometimes even in the low 60s for airborne and impact sounds, which are very well regarded in the construction industry, of course. Pretty much any type of flooring can be used, is compatible with the installation on our panels.
Okay.
So that it be ceramic, that it be vinyl, that it be carpet. And one of the main benefits of our panels is that you can install the hardwood and you can nail it directly onto the Fermacell system. And this has been verified with various manufacturers of hardwood flooring that have done some testing. Because of the way that these materials are manufactured, we're able to say that the fabrication of the white part here of the panels is carbon negative. So the recycled properties of the ingredients allows us to have a negative carbon impact. So we store more carbon than we actually emit at the manufacturing process of our panels. So we have what we call an EPD, which is an environmental product declaration that has a complete life cycle analysis that allows us to corroborate that the actual things that we're saying are actually true, because we have the documents to prove it. The construction industry is well renowned for taking its time in doing changes, but global warming is here, and there's a lot of push from the industry to change the way things are being done. So there's new innovative solutions that are coming out on the market to help build buildings quicker and faster. We have a housing shortage, unfortunately, in Canada that's pushing the industry to change the way things are done.
Right.
In terms of material savings, when you're saving 10 to 15 pounds per square foot on the weight, on the structure, there's definitely material savings that are available.
Yeah.
What's your time worth at the end of the day?
Yeah, of course.
Builders don't want to have any problems. Yeah. So if you could avoid headaches, and that's one of our ambassadors that changed from wet toppings to our Fermacell system. He said, David, one of the reasons why I changed, even though I know that the product is slightly more expensive, is I don't have any more headaches.
Yeah.
I don't have to deal with scheduling. All this disappears.
Yeah.
There's no humidity to deal with in the building. The guys know how to install the product, so there's no danger at the end of the day. Am I going to have a wavy floor? Well, when you're using a system that doesn't have any wet trades, you have a system that's always going to be uniform, always going to have the same thickness. So all those headaches disappear. So give us a call. We'll give you the information that's required, and we'll be happy to assist you.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, David.
It's my pleasure.
It was great having you.
Thank you.